in 2021.
Buck, 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 buck. Yeah. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, buck, buck. Yeah. Buck, 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 buck.
Well, it seems the Goose-A-Saurus are out for a swim. The 2 bodyguards at the shoreline to protect them. Pretty impressive, guys. Pretty impressive. Well, look at this. I'm on the college campus, cutting through back from my friend's house to go home, and look at what I find. Goose-A-Sauruses by night. Yes, these stealthy ninja Goose-A-Saurus. You can't really tell, but it is nighttime. My phone just makes everything look brighter at night. Wah! See if I can get their attention. Wah! They don't think I can see them. I'm making an ass out of myself. Well, Hilson. Good night, folks. What I found at the park. Ducks! Yeah, I don't know what they're doing here. They're just camped on the side of the road by now. See, there's the road. There's the stop sign. There's the ducks. They were just kind of sitting there. I mean, there's a lake over here. A small lake. But they are way over there. Just kind of cruising by the side of the road. They're not selling lemonade like those kids earlier today, but there they are. Let me turn my lights down and see if I can get it. Nope. Makes it too bright. Okay, well, ducks. I'll let you be for the night, ducky duckies. Quack, quack, goose, goose, I wonder if it is. Bye-bye, duck.